Hello mga boss, welcome back sa ating channel. So is it profitable ba kahit na gumawa tayo ng new account dito sa Cinnamon Cross? So para sa akin, it depends. Kung meron kang pang multi, like this one, we are using UG phone right now guys, 24/7 AFK, no lag, no interruption guys, no disconnection. So this is the UG phone that I'm using. So yan, kahapon ko pa sila in online and then level na sila ngayon, 31 and 32. So, kung gagawa ka nito, so you will be profitable farming ruby. But, if you're looking to be profitable sa pag-farm ng guys, ng shields or shields ranking, so you need at least level 40 guys. Kasi yung pag nag-claim tayo dito, so hindi tayo makakuha ng shields ranking points below level 40. Okay? So, together this one guys, if we claim this, ayan. So, we are not getting shields ranking points because low level tayo guys. Okay? So, hindi profitable ang shields farming sa mga low level account. At low B ang kanilang CP. You need more combat power if you're looking to farm shields token guys. Okay? So, yun yung pinakamalino doon. So, kung gagawa ka naman ng mga bagong character, guys, and then, you want to be profitable. So, doon na papasok yung pagpo-farm or pagpi-fishing, guys. So, check nyo yung market natin. Okay, so may mga binibenta tayo dito galing lang sa fishing. So, tandaan nyo, ang golden fish bait, ayan, so golden fish bait, guys, is pangalawa siya sa quantity sales amount. Top 5 siya, isa sa doon guys. Okay? So kaya ang binebenta natin ngayon is yan mga yan. So golden fish bait, 10 goldfish mga karel. So ito guys, newly made account to para makita nyo na nakakapag-farm pa rin naman yung mga newly account guys. So let's go home no. So pakita ko sa inyo kung paano i-farm yung golden fish bait guys. Okay? So, yung golden fish bait yan, makukuha doon sa may box na pag-multi-fishing nyo. And then, bigyan ko na lang din kayo ng tips guys para kung sakaling gagawa kayo nito, hindi na kayo mahirapan. So, punta kayo muna kay Contigo guys. Okay, so residence. And then, kay ano pala? Pandora. So, punta kayo Pandora guys. Okay, move to Pandora instantly. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung kailangan ng rod. So, much better kasi kung mas maganda yung rod nyo, guys. So, beginner's rod. So, 5 daily mission coin. Okay? So, fairly adept. Ayan. So, eto, mga dalawa na siguro yung pwede nyong i-invite. Kasi yung beginners, dalawa lang sa party ang kaya nyan. Etong master anglers, you can invite up to 3 character, guys, to join you on fishing, guys. Okay? So, master anglers, it needs 1,500 dailies. And then, kailangan natin bumili dito guys ng at least golden fish hook. 1,500 guys. Okay. So, let's purchase and hot-blooded bait. No? So, pwede namang ito lang yung bait natin guys. No? Bili tayo na itong 1,500 na ito. Okay, so purchase. Ang kailangan lang naman natin syempre guys is the box. Okay, so let's start fishing guys. Ayan. And then make sure you have multiplayer. Enable auto join. So if you are beginners, you can only have a max of 2 members guys. So that's why you need to level up your anglers. So join this one. Okay. Make sure you have enough. Okay, so 1,000. Okay, and just auto fish. So nakikita nyo dito guys sa pinakagilid. So this one. So party fishing reward box. So hindi nyo makukuha kung magsosolo kayo. So much better if you have 4 in your or 3 more on your party. But we are only on the beginners angler guys. So mahirap talaga. So let's try this another to guys. So tabi natin sa kanila. Ayan guys. Nice. So meron na tayong chance makakuha ng mga party fishing reward box na pwede nating ibenta sa market. Okay? So, yun lang muna for today's video and I hope na nabigyan ko kayo ng isang magandang idea on how to be profitable here at the Cinnamon Cross. So again, this is Potsky. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.